Hi, I'm Lainey Perez. So, playing Disabled Kids. So, try natin kung ano yung bagong update dito sa game na to. So, nakita ko sa iba parang may something siya na bago. So, try natin. Ay, na-ghost mode Takot tayo eh. Ako lang pala. Masisi. Try na natin. So, they want poison the enemy's food and serve it. Ito dito. So, let's see kung makakuha na tayong stick. Okay. So, we need the sticks. Need to get some poison. Isa mabagal. So, kailangan daw natin lasunin yung bata. You see, this is the poison I have here. I got the poison. So, mabilis. Okay, baby, come here. Eat your breakfast. Hey, baby. So, sana na kailangan kita lasunin para may makukuha lang ako sa'yo. Ew. Grabe kang bata ka. May CR naman. Duh. Need to reach the skimmer first. Punta mo na ako CR. Ew. Gusto mo kung magugas ng puto. Grabe na sa tiyan niya to. what is the fuse? This cable siya. Okay, next 4 seconds. So we need key. Room door key. Yeah, room door key. Sana dito na lang niya ako pinatulog. Ang ganda ng kama. Grabe si Evil Kid. Ang damot niya sa room. Yung room niya maganda. Kung hindi siguro tayo naka-ghost, tayo na pa tayo dito. Hindi ko na kailangan yung shotgun kasi yung bata. And then, oh, of course, I can't aim. What's that? Oh. What's that? What's that kind of ball? It's a ball. Really? Nakakilabo. Grabe naman, nakakilabot naman. 7314. So, we need the battery. 7314. 7314. Okay. What? So, what's that? Some water to the order. Water? Need water. I saw a bowl. Wait. I saw a bowl dun sa room na pinanggalingan natin. My dirty room. Yeah. Exactly, Paul. I think siguro gumagana naman yung faucet sa baba. With water. So, stuck up. Doon. I could put some of this potion. Potion. Boom. See? Oh, come on. Sama. god. Stock up. Mushroom. I think mushroom is needed. So medyo yun nga siguro yung naiiba sa game. May hindi ka basta makakapasok dun sa demonic na room nila. Rishara. May demonic wall. So, need light up the candles. Then, ano yung pagulong-gulong na yan? Something. Nakakilabot yun. So, I think I need again a stick. Okay, then a piece of cloth, I remember. I think this is the piece of cloth. Okay. So, may nakita ako something in poison dun sa babae. This one, the rose lamp oil. Kailangan basa. Para siyang gas. Tapos tsaka tayo pwede mag-apoy. Okay, so I have the light. I have now the light. Okay, I think I'm near. Pwede na kita sinugin eh. Hindi lang pwede. So, need to light up the candle. So, paikot. I think this is the empty vial. Dito natin lalagay yung potion. Exactly. Grabe, pinikilabutan ako. So, now I have the vial. 7314, tama ba? Drop the potion. Whoa! What? 7-3. I think tama ako kanina eh. So, mali ako. No. Tapos, ang layo. Nainikutan ko. 7, tama, 7314. Why did this happen? Oh. Okay. So, na-spot tayo. Tineleport niya tayo. Pag pala naiwan ka doon, magte-teleport ka sa ibang location. Okay. At least hawak natin yung susi. this is the start. This is the finish. Gotcha. So, ganito siya. So, kapag na-spot ka doon, ubusan ka ng oras, masabak mo na yung susi, automatically makakaalis ka doon. Yeah, right. So, yun pala, yung wall niya may demonic. So, sa previous niya, yung previous pala niya is wala. So, wala siyang ganun parang nakaharang dun sa wall. Okay. You have won the world game. Okay. Wow. So, guys, ayan, maganda siyang laruin. Siguro try natin minsan yung naka-easy lang tayo next time. So, ngayon, for this moment, yun muna yung video natin. So, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this moment. And sana ma-attract kayong maglaro nito. Very good spare time siya kahit paano. Thank you and good night.